Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn Lipan art. So for Lipan art, we need an art surface, smooth and hard surface. We need gesso or white paint to give a base coat. Then other colors acrylic paints, molded or putty cones or shilpkar or any type of 3D liners, or we can even use this kind of lightweight modeling clay. So something we need to make the design. We also need mirrors and glue. So basically we will give first coat of white paint on our art surface. I have these MDF boards, and then second coat if white is not enough. Then we will draw the design and we will paint the design. After that, our molded work will start. And once molded work is done, then we will place the mirrors with the help of glue. Okay, we'll stick them with the help of glue. So let's start. I have these things which I am going to use. Along with this, I will use molded and I will use mirrors. So let's start. This is my white paint. So our basic coloring is over. At many places we have given second coat, and here also I'll give second coat so that it's more clear and prominent. Now the part which is dried, there I'll start drawing the design. So I feel that center one is dry. So I have to be careful, but I have open packets of molded. Molded is actually in two parts, part A and part B. So I'll take very little, otherwise it will become hard. See, suppose I have taken only this much, part A, then part B also almost same. The perfect way is to use it by weight, and then immediately close it and put it in a Ziploc so that it won't get dry. So we'll make a dough like we make the dough. No water at all because it has resin, and it's always better to use talcum powder to make the dough because it sticks to fingers. Making the dough like we make the atta dough for roti. Just mix it very nicely. So this dough is ready. We have to be little fast in this. If you sprinkle more welcome here. It's best to do on the chakla, kitchen chakla. So this is one string. We'll try to make it equal size. This is Fevicol. You can use any other glue. I'm going to apply it here. Now for next layer, we can make a design on it when it is wet. We can use any pencil or anything and just make a design, any design of your choice. Next layer, before this gets dry, we have to make it rise very, very fast actually. I'm cleaning all extra Fevicol, otherwise Fevicol will leave its marks. Now, time to make design. Very simple design, nothing great. You can make design with knife also. Now, third layer. I'm making design with the back end of brush. This is all talcum. Some people use oil also, like we use oil to make puri. Some people use oil also. You can use your dotting tools also. I'm making small pieces because big pieces are breaking. Whenever you see crack is there, just try to join it with Fevicol. See, there is a crack. I'm applying little Fevicol on it. Because now half an hour is over, it's getting dry. Its shelf life is only half an hour. Otherwise, it will get dry and it will become like a stone. Actually, I made lots of bottles decoration with molded and with the cones. Videos are there on the YouTube. Before it dries more, now I'm making petals, very small petals. Let me try to make them the same size. We'll try to make all of them of the same size. In fact, I don't know, but I've heard we get molds in the market. I have not used molds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then after leaving, one will come here, one will come here, two more will come. Now we will take any color paint. I'm taking white and I'll quickly paint all of them. Before that, I'll make design on the last row. I'll send you one old video today because this will take time. That's different, but it's about Lipan art only. Now I'm going to use white paint. You can use any color. Now it's up to our imagination. How much work, what design we want to give. Fevicol will leave white color mark if we will not clean it now. हमारा इतना काम हो गया है. This is part A and this is part B. We'll take equal amount and we will mix it. So we are going to paste these leaves with the glue. Now next round we are going to place these twisted ones. Next one is little tricky work. We are going to make a set of 3 petals. So first petal here, we'll take a brush and clean extra glue exactly below this Fevicol brush. We have to wash immediately and wipe. Next is in front of this. This level is over. Now I'm going to decorate the corners. So corner petals I made little bigger. Now we have this circle. So in this circle, one here, so this circle is over. Now we have to start the last round. So let me count if I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so our main work is over and now last. So this is done. Now I'm going to give a coat of white paint on all these once they dry, but this is Fevicryl's white paint. So we are applying a coat of white paint. If we want, we can do some other color also. Normally they apply white only. This is a very thin brush which I am using to give a coat of white paint on the molded. Now we'll start with the mirror work. So we'll start from the center. Each one of us have different types of mirrors, so we can't have a general rule that this is good or this is bad. We can use whatever we have. So I'm going to start from the center. Now I have to find very small mirrors. These are small pearl shaped mirrors. Let me see if it fits here. These four are well fitted here. Now I have these triangle mirrors. Center part is ready. I'm going to use the pearl shaped mirrors. These are the pearl shaped mirrors. Let's see whether it fits on this or not. No, it will cover. So we can use them here on the corners. We have to find something for this place, the smaller one. Maybe let me try this. These are eye-shaped mirrors. Now next level, we have given design here. So I don't want to paste anything on the design. We can leave the design and let's try if this fits here. No. So maybe round shape will fit. Third circle is complete. Now we are going to do here. These are some rectangles, but before doing, I'll count how many we have. 5, 6, 7 only. We need 8. Okay, let me put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's come to the next circle. We have already placed these, so we can just put one shape mirrors here. I think I can use bigger circular mirrors. Now here we have to make some design. We have to wipe extra Fevicol, otherwise it will leave the marks. We have a space here. We'll do the final checking. If anywhere paint is coming out, we'll just give a touch. With this, our Lipan art piece is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly share the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.